Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to back up and restore configuration in BDCOM GPON OLT. For this demonstration, I have BDCOM GPON OLT model GP3600-08. So without further ado, let's get started. I will access now my BDCOM OLT. Go to browser, then type the management IP address of the OLT. In this case, my management IP address of the OLT is 172.31.107.11. Input then the username and password. Click sign in. Go now to System Manager. Then Startup Config. For backup configuration, just click the Export button. Browse to your preferred location. Then save. You can also back up the iOS software. Go to iOS software, then click Backup iOS. Browse to your preferred location, then click Save. This is it on how to back up configuration in BDCOM GPON OLT. I will try to make changes in the configuration. I will just go to basic config and change the host name. Click apply, then click save all. Configuration saved. I will now demonstrate how to restore configuration. Go again to System Manager, then in Startup Config, in Import Startup Config file, click Choose File, then browse the backup config. Click Startup Config, then click Open. Click Import. We will wait for the configuration to be loaded in the OLT. The configuration is now uploaded successfully in the OLT. We will manually restart the OLT to apply the configuration. Click Reboot. The OLT is now rebooting. Let's wait for a moment for the OLT to run again. The reboot is now finished. I will access the OLT again. Let's check if the previous hostname is restored. Go to basic config, then hostname. As what you can see, the configuration is restored. This is it guys on how to back up and restore configuration in BDCOM GPON OLT. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please also hit that notification bell so you can be notified to my new videos. Bye for now and have a nice day.